up guys, it's me from the future. So it's been a few months since this video was made actually. But first of all I want to thank to Plamen Mikhailov for the stickers that you saw in the previous video. So he reacted straight on time, took him about a couple of days to make everything and ship it to me. So huge thanks to PM Stickers Factory. Something that's going on through my mind. 60% of you that are currently watching this video have not subscribed to my YouTube channel. Although I understand you, I would really appreciate if you subscribe, because you're trying to get some momentum going and this really helps. Yeah, so let's get to the action. Welcome back to the YouTube channel. We are fucking going drifting for the first time this year. The car is ready, I'm just waiting for Ini and we just have to get the cars onto the rig and we're going to shred as a motherfuckers today.
Чакай, спри. Бензинец.
It's not always fun to have lowered car, and I ripped a fuel line which we'll need to fucking fix on the spot when we get there. Where it is? Right there. Okay, so we did a few laps and my car is doing alright. Ini's car actually fucked all the fenders and we changed the tires to the smaller ones. Donut. Okay, so we did a few more runs, and yeah, everything is fucking alright at the moment. It's fucking awesome. My cooling fan actually blew the fuse, but it's okay, it's working now. I believe that in the next few runs we're going to start doing tandems, maybe. We changed the Westlakes and now she's on 205 40s, which have a lot of less grip. They're like Treadwear 400, and yeah, she feels very comfortable, and yeah, I know. So yeah, let's fucking send it. We got a few good tandems. Now I'm going to have to change tires. She's out there ripping, and then we are going to do some more tandems. But for now, enjoy her solo runs. Okay, so we finished driving, and on the last set of tires it started raining as a dog shit. And yeah, that's going to be for today. Now we're going to have to pack everything, and yeah, after it we're going to need to be changing tires and shit like this. That's it for today, and see you next time.